So in today's video, I am going to do a complete review of a brand new software called AutoChannel AI. I'll cover what it is, what it does, how it works, what features it has, how much it costs, and whether it is actually worth buying or not. So just stick around till the end of this video and I will tell you everything you need to know about AutoChannel AI. Now, what this software does is basically it helps you create and grow a faceless YouTube channel. And when I say faceless, I mean you don't have to show your face on camera, you don't have to record your voice, and you don't have to hire any editor or freelancer to do the work for you. The AI handles everything on its own. The people behind this software call it an autonomous open claw AI agent. Don't worry about the fancy name. All it means is that this AI works like a full team by itself. You just give it one idea or keyword and it takes care of everything from finding the right niche, writing the script, creating the video, doing the SEO, all the way to actually publishing the video on your channel. Now, let me walk you through what's actually inside this software and what all it can do for you. So, the first thing it has is an AI viral channel finder. What this does is it automatically finds profitable niche ideas for you. So if you have no idea what kind of YouTube channel you should start, this feature will figure that out for you. Then there is the AI winning topics finder. This one tells you what kind of videos you should make in your niche so that people actually want to watch them. Because making videos is one thing, but making videos that get views is a completely different game. This feature helps you with exactly that. Next is the AI viral niches finder. This one finds niches that are still growing and don't have too much competition yet. So you can get in early before everyone else jumps in. Then we have the AI YouTube keyword finder. This finds the right keywords for your videos so that when people search on YouTube, your videos has a better chance of showing up in the results. Now, the AI script writer is something I really like. You don't have to write a single word yourself. The AI writes the full script for your video in just one click. Whether you want to make a product review, a tutorial, a storytelling video, or even YouTube shorts, it handles all of it. Then there is the AI viral hook generator. This creates the engaging lines of your video. The first few seconds that decide whether someone stays and keeps watching or just clicks away. And we all know how important that is on YouTube. After that comes the AI video creator. This is where it actually builds your video for you with realistic AI avatars that have human like expressions, natural movements, and proper lip sync. So the video looks and feels very natural even though no real person recorded it. Then the AI title, tag and description generator takes care of all your YouTube SEO. It writes your video title, description, tags, hashtags, everything. So your video is fully optimized before it even goes live. One more thing I want to highlight is that AutoChannel AI supports over 100 languages. So if you want to create content for audiences outside of just English-speaking countries, you can do that easily without hiring any translator or voice artist. And finally, the one-click publishing feature lets you publish your video directly to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels all at once. So your content goes everywhere automatically without you having to log into each platform separate. Now, let's talk about the price because I think this is where it gets really interesting. So, right now, during the launch period, you can get AutoChannel AI for just $14.97, and that is a one-time payment. And on top of that, it also comes with a commercial license included. So, if you want to use this software to create YouTube channels or videos for your clients and charge them money for it, you are fully allowed to do that. And whatever money you make from your clients, you keep 100% of it. The software creators don't take any cut from you. Now, the best part is that they're also giving a 30-day money back guarantee. So, if for any reason you feel like this software is not for you, you can just contact their support team within 30 days and they will give you a full refund. No questions asked. So, there is really no risk involved at all when you try this out. Now, Along with the software itself, the vendor is also throwing in 5 extra bonuses completely free when you buy AutoChannel AI today during the launch period. The first bonus is the AI YouTube Cash Cow Starter Kit. This basically gives you everything you need to get your faceless YouTube business up and running from scratch, including niche ideas, channel setup guides, and monetization tips. The second one is the YouTube Agency Client Kit. This one is really useful if you want to offer YouTube services to clients. It comes with ready-made proposal templates, pricing sheets, outreach scripts, and everything else you need to actually land paying clients. Then the third bonus is the AI YouTube Profit Blueprint. This one teaches you all the different ways you can make money from your YouTube channel, whether that is through AdSense, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, digital products, or client work. The fourth bonus is the YouTube Viral Growth Blueprint. This shows you the exact strategies that successful YouTube creators use to get more views, grow their subscriber count faster, and make their content reach more people. And the fifth one is the ultimate YouTube publishing and growth checklist. So, this is basically a step-by-step checklist you can follow every time you publish a video to make sure it is fully optimized and has the best chance of growing. So, these 5 bonuses alone are worth a lot, and you are getting all of them for free just by grabbing AutoChannel AI today. Now, this is the part that I'm really excited to tell you about, because on top of all the vendor bonuses that I just talked about, I'm also giving you 21 exclusive bonuses completely free from my side. These are bonuses that I have put together specifically for my viewers, and you will not find these anywhere else. Nobody else is giving you these bonuses, only me. And the only way to claim these bonuses is by buying AutoChannel AI through my link, which I have placed in the description box below this video. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, because it really helps my channel grow. And if you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you never miss any of my videos. And if you have any questions about AutoChannel AI, just drop them in the comment section below and I will be happy to help you out.